I'm going to show you how you can attract anything you want by using the power of your mind. Want to get rich, find your ideal woman, or attract better health or happiness into your life? Many people don't understand or take advantage of the great working powers of the subconscious mind and walk through life aimlessly without much thought at all. Today, I will reveal how to do it and techniques you can use for maximum effectiveness. Let's go. In the realm of the human mind, there exists two parts, the conscious and the subconscious mind. Like a wise captain at the helm of a ship issues orders to the crew below the deck, which is meant to symbolize the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is loyal and obedient and carries out these commands without any questioning. It responds intensely to the nature of our thoughts, especially when we speak to it with conviction and authority. Let's dive deeper into the power of our subconscious mind. It's almost like it acts as a fertile soil, accepting any seed you plant in it, whether it's positive or negative. Just as a skilled gardener chooses what seeds to plant, we must be mindful of the thoughts that we sow in the garden of our subconscious mind. If we plant seeds of fear, lack, or doubt, it will grow and manifest into our lives. And so many people don't understand this. But if we sow the seeds of affirmations and positive beliefs, our subconscious mind will nurture them and amazing things will start to happen. Imagine a talented singer who struggled with self-doubt before performances. She realized that her subconscious was listening to her negative thoughts and bringing them to life. So she decided to change her narrative. She repeatedly affirmed, "I am confident, I am happy, and I can do this." And guess what? Her subconscious made it a reality. And she delivered a breathtaking performance that left the audience mesmerized. You hold the key to unlock the immense potential within your subconscious mind. Simply stating your desires with conviction and clarity before sleep can ignite the magic within. Believe that infinite intelligence flows through you, enriching and prospering your life. The power of belief is incredible. If you generally believe that something is going to be true, your subconscious mind will accept it as such, and your reality will align accordingly to your thoughts. Just like the story of the man whose young daughter suffered from a crippling arthritis and a painful skin condition called psoriasis. They tried everything, but nothing worked. The man was near despair and said over and over, "I would give my right arm for my daughter to be cured." And the interesting part was, one day their family was out for a drive and their car crashed. The father's arm was tragically torn off in this incident. But when he came home from that hospital, he discovered that his daughter's skin condition and arthritis had miraculously vanished. So be careful what you give your subconscious mind. This is a pretty drastic example, but honestly, it could happen if this is what you're thinking about all the time. It doesn't understand a joke and takes you at your word. That's why it's crucial to give suggestions of healing, inspiration, and success. Prayer therapy is another powerful way to harness the power of your subconscious mind. Choose a certain idea, mental picture, or a plan that you desire to experience. Use your capacity to convey this mental image to your subconscious mind by feeling the reality of the state assumed. As you remain faithful in your mental attitude, your prayers will then be heard. It's a definite mental action for a specific purpose. Like most people out there, they fear of not accomplishing their purpose or their passion in life. But you need to remind yourself of the infinite intelligence and power within you. Embrace the truth that it has the capacity to heal all conditions. And by immersing yourselves in these truths, your fear will begin to dissolve, allowing your desires to flourish. And the best part is, the action of your subconscious mind continues even while you're sleeping. This is why it is so critical to give your subconscious mind something to work towards while you're sleeping, something beneficial to work on as you drop off into a slumber. Before sleeping, you can try a passing over technique to impress your desires upon your subconscious mind. I want you to fully relax when you're in bed, almost getting into a dreamlike state, getting a little bit drowsy, and then know that your mind holds infinite power and intelligence within. Calmly think about what you want and visualize the outcome. Visualize yourself already achieving it and being in that present moment and enjoying the fruits of your labor. Let it come to life within you as if you already have it. Be like that little girl from the story I heard back in the day. She had a very bad cough and a really sore throat, and everything that she did never worked. She declared firmly and loudly that it's passing away now. It's passing away now. And the funny thing is, it passed away shortly after. It's such a simple technique that anyone can use if they actually believe that it's gonna happen. You need to have faith. The subconscious mind will bring to life any picture you keep inside of your mind that is backed up with faith. Act as if you are already in possession of what you desire, and you will become the person who possesses it. I want you to create a mental movie of what you want to happen, and you must act as if it's already a reality. This is the key. To get a better understanding of how to impress the subconscious mind, you need to enter a drowsy, sleepy-like state, like I said before, in which all effort is reduced to a minimum. In this relaxed state, convey the idea or desire to your subconscious mind with repetition. A very simple way of doing this is condensing the idea into a brief phrase that can be readily remembered on memory. Want to repeat this phrase over and over again, like a soothing lullaby, until it becomes ingrained in your subconscious mind. The highest degree of outcropping occurs just prior to sleep and upon awakening in the morning. During these moments, our minds are most receptive to new suggestions and beliefs. Suppose you want to get rid of a destructive habit. In this case, you want to assume and get into a comfortable position. Relax your body and be still. You want to get into a sleepy state and say quietly to yourself over and over again as a lullaby, I am completely free of this habit. Harmony and peace of mind reign supreme. Repeat these words slowly, quietly, for only about 5 or 10 minutes a night and upon awakening. And when the urge comes to repeat the negative habit, repeat this formula out loud to yourself. By doing this, you induce the subconscious mind to accept this idea, and the healing follows. Keep practicing this for about 3 weeks to feel the full transformation. In order for your subconscious mind to work optimally, you must have a clear-cut idea in your mind. You must arrive at the definite decision that there is a way out, a solution to any of your problems or that sickness that you can't get rid of. Only the infinite intelligence within your subconscious mind knows the answer. Once you come to that clear-cut conclusion your subconscious mind has made up, and according to your belief, it is done unto you. Your dream must be felt subjectively in a finish-like state. Feel it not as something that may come to pass in the future, but as something that is coming to pass at this particular moment. Visualize the end and the state of freedom that your dream produces. Persist in maintaining a simple, childlike, miracle-making faith in yourself. Picture yourself without the ailment or the problem. Imagine the emotional gratification of whatever you seek and cut all red tape from the process. Pass any idea you want with conviction to your subconscious mind, then relax. If your attention is focused on the obstacles to obtaining what you desire, it is no longer concentrating on the means to obtain your desire. So be careful how you're thinking. To avoid conflict between your desires and your imagination, enter into a drowsy, sleepy state that brings all efforts to a minimum. Submerge your conscious mind to impregnate your subconscious mind prior to sleep. And all you have to do is imagine the reality of the fulfilled desire and feel the thrill of the accomplishment. Your subconscious brings about the realization of your desire. And did you know this? That whatever people imagine and feel is true will come to pass. Imagine the fulfillment of your desire over and over again before sleep. Sleep in peace and wake in joy. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys have been waiting for this one. So let's discuss how you can use your subconscious mind to generate wealth. You know, all those women out there or guys that maybe only work a few hours a week, but yet they're generating so much wealth? How is this possible when they're not even working that hard? Do not believe the story that the only way to become wealthy is through hard work and labor. The effortless way of life is always the best. Do what you love and do it for the joy and thrill of it. There was once a successful, wealthy businessman who earned a substantial income, and he had a secret that he believed that contributed to his success. He convinced to his subconscious mind that he was worth that much money. But you see, becoming a millionaire isn't just about repeating words over and over again, like I am rich or I'm a millionaire. Repeating that over and over again will not work. Instead, you need to understand that building wealth is a mindset, and embracing the idea of abundance were the keys to unlocking prosperity. So for the businessman to harness this powerful secret, he practiced a simple daily ritual. 3 or 4 times a day, he would take 5 minutes to repeat these 2 powerful, magical words that can actually change your life: wealth and success. I know these words are super simple and really ordinary, but they hold tremendous power because they can connect you to the real potential within yourself. And the best part is there was no conflict in his mind when he said wealth because he genuinely believed in his ability to attract it. His affirmation succeeded because it was specific and didn't produce any mental arguments or conflicts within himself, such as saying, I'm a millionaire, I have 100,000, I have $1 million. When you say that, you know that it's not true about yourself. So it creates conflicts and arguments within yourself. But by saying wealth, success, it doesn't create this because you're not saying that's who you are. You see, our subconscious mind accepts what we truly feel to be true, not just words or empty statements. So this businessman kept focusing on the dominant idea or belief of wealth, and his subconscious mind embraced it. One fascinating technique that he would try before bed was repeating the word wealth, just like a soothing lullaby. He calmly whispered the word, allowing it to bring him into a peaceful slumber. As he did this for only 5 minutes every single night, something magical started to unfold. He felt as if an avalanche of abundance was flowing towards him, and he couldn't help himself by being amazed by the results. Wouldn't you be? But there was one crucial thing that he understood. He must not mentally deny or contradict his affirmations. If he consciously affirmed his affirmations, but then doubted them a few seconds later, that doubt would neutralize the good that he had affirmed. So he stayed committed to maintaining a positive mindset and reinforcing his own belief in his prosperity. And just like that, the wealthy businessman life transformed, and he continued to harness the magical power of his subconscious mind. And he realized what he consciously affirmed with conviction was indeed his reality. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.